How to fix Spotify Wrapped 2024 not showing up. Well, that's what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's just get started right away. Now, as you guys can see at the top left, or pretty much just at the top middle, we can see Wrapped, and this will bring you over to the Wrapped section. As you can see, we can view the Wrapped 2024 over here. Now, if you cannot view this, then we can easily try to fix this. The very first step is by simply restarting your phone. Just restart it. I had that actually last year. I restarted my phone and I was actually able to see this. The second method is by checking if you have an update. If it says update instead of open in the Play Store or App Store, it just means that you have to update your app first, and then you should be able to view it. The third method is by deleting your Spotify app. So if you completely delete it and then re-download it, this is also a way people have fixed this in the past. Now, on iPhone, we can offload the app, and on Android, you can actually clear the cache of Spotify. So on Android, simply search for your Spotify app, and then you should be able to clear the cache somewhere here in the settings. On iPhone, in order to offload the app, what you can do is go to General, then here to iPhone Storage, then here we can go to Spotify, and here you can see offload app. Now what this sort of does is delete the app and clears the cache. And then if you go to over here and then click on the Spotify app, it will start downloading it again. And that should also hopefully fix this for you. So that is pretty much it. That is how to fix Spotify Wrapped 2024 not showing up.